Where did all the elements come from? We've just spent a week looking at the periodic table, all the elements in it, what it means, isotopes, trends, how they all bond together, but none of this has actually explained where all of these elements originate from. And the answer is the stars. So the lightest elements, hydrogen and helium, make up most of the known universe, and these clump together into stars where they are fused into heavier elements. In fact, the biggest stars can fuse together elements all the way up to iron. If you're particularly observant though, you might notice that iron is not the most heavy element on the periodic table, and in fact we have quite a few elements after iron. These heavier elements are formed in the most energetic events in the known universe, namely supernovas and neutron star mergers. However, some elements are also synthesized in labs. This can be done in particle accelerators and also nuclear reactors. If you've ever heard anyone say that we are all stardust, this is exactly what it means. In order to get the elements to make the Earth, and by extension us, you need to have stars fuse elements together, and then supernova and neutron star mergers to get the heavier elements used to make what we now know as Earth, or in fact our Sun, or our solar system, and anything else that we have that we can see pretty much today. Thank you very much for watching my series on the periodic table. Please make sure you're liking and following along, because next week I'm going to be answering yours and the internet science questions. So make sure that you leave them in the comments below. Thank you for doing everything else that you do here, and until next time, I've been Dr. Alex Foden, the Science Wrangler, and I shall see you one of these days.